This is an e-learning with an overview regarding Wise Options backups. Wise Option, it's a program Windows-based which main files are saved on the main computer in Wise Options folder. Go to the main computer, find the program files or program files x86 if your machine is a 64-bit processor, and there you should find the Wise Option folder. In Wise Option folder, you also should find a subfolder called Backup, and in that folder is the place where we store all the backup files in Wise Option. Every time you create a go back point file, Wise Option is going to save as a unique file name. It is also possible to save the latest backup file. So if you save only a horse backup file, it's going to overwrite the last one ever. I'm going to show these options to you in the program in a bit. And a third option, if you have the auto backup option set up for your main computer on the server, you're going to see that Wise Option creates 7 auto backups. This functionality is going to run every day in the first login of the day. And on the day number 8, it will overwrite backup number 1. So you're always going to have the last 7 days backups for Wise Option on your main computer. Let's go to the program and take a look at these options. The go back point, you are used to see that in the billing process where you can create go back points as the first step, but also you can go to the tools and database tools and create a go back point from here. It doesn't hurt to create a go back point. It's a nice option. Like I said, this will create a unique file without overwriting the last. Backup option, on the other hand, is the one that will overwrite the file. So back to the folder. If I create a go back point like this, I'm going to show you file number 1, and if I click on this option here, backup, I'm going to show you what happens to file number 2. So go back point, as you can see, GBP go back point created by the administrator, year, month, day, and hour. It's a unique file. Every time you hit that option, a new file, new go back point file is created. On the other hand, if I use that backup option, this horse.db backup file is going to be updated with the latest. Next time you hit the button, horse backup file, it is going to overwrite the last one. So to create a backup, basically, the first thing you have to do is to create a go back point. Then if you want to export these files to an external hard drive or flash drive, pretty much you just have to copy the entire Wise Option folder. You could put on a flash drive, on an external hard drive, burn a DVD, or any kind, or even copy the files from one computer to a second computer on your local network. That also works. Basically, the minimum requirement for you to have a good backup is to go to the program, create a go back point, which puts the file here in the backup folder. And if you use the images module, you would have also to make sure that you are backing up the images folder, which is the place where all the images are stored in Wise Option on the main computer again, or the server. So these are pretty much the 2 main folders, backup and images. The other folders like database, server engines, and all the files are files that we can bring to you in from downloads from our website, which are those executables or the components needed to run Wise Option. Important for you is to have a good backup of the go back points and also the images or the auto backups. Talking a little bit about the auto backups, you have to be logged in as the administrator. Go to Tools and Options, and under the Backup tab, you're going to see if that option is enabled. You should see the location, the folder, where the file is going to be placed. And if you don't have that, you can set the location. But this can be done only from the server. It must be done from the server. This operation here cannot be done from a regular terminal on your network. This will activate your auto backup if not yet, and from that point on, you're going to have auto backup files or go back point files updated on a daily basis the last 7 days, like I showed you in the folder. One option that you can exercise would be to go to the internet and look for Carbonite, carbonite.com. It's a good option that has been an asset helping other users when a computer crashes. Carbonite is a good option. Just to carbonite.com, and you just need to put this on your computer. We have another lesson, another video in our YouTube channel that will talk only about Carbonite. And if you want to go to our YouTube channel, just look for Wise Option Equine on YouTube, and that's the name of our YouTube channel. Once you get there, take a look at carbonite.com, and that's going to be an option. This carbonite.com is an option for you to have the computer connect to the internet, and this little program is going to, it's a huge, nice program. It's going to, synchronize all your backup folders in the cloud. So if something happens locally, we simply have to download the files by your computer if something happens to your server, and off you go with your files and data from the latest backup from Carbonite. So today we explored an overview regarding Wise Option and the backup options for you to have peace of mind and saved files. I hope you guys have a great day.